A snowboarder named Brendan Walker has looked at the standard binding system and essentially asked, why are we still doing this? The answer is the Machina MagIC Ride System, and it's currently blowing minds on Kickstarter. This isn't just a tweak to an existing design. It's a complete reimagining of how you connect your boot to your board. The secret sauce, as you might have guessed from the name, is magnets. But it's way more sophisticated than just sticking your foot to the board and hoping for the best. The system replaces the entire traditional binding setup with two specific components: a pair of boots and a pair of ultra-slim baseplates that mount to your board. In the sole of each boot and in each baseplate, there are 4 incredibly strong neodymium magnets. When you go to step in, these magnets don't just hold, they actively guide your foot into the perfect alignment, so you don't have to wiggle around to find the sweet spot. Once the sole and baseplate make contact, you give your foot a quarter twist. When you need to get out, you pull on that leash, which lifts a mechanism inside, and then give your foot a little lift and twist. It pops right out. It's a super clean system that keeps the release mechanism accessible without having to bend over. For the front foot, which stays locked in for most of your riding, you simply reach down and release it by hand when you're done for the day. To let you dial in exactly how much stiffness or play you want, the boots use a dual-zone wire lacing system. You can crank down the lower zone for response and keep the upper zone looser for comfort and mobility, or tighten it all up for an aggressive, locked-in feel. The control is in your hands, not on the board. Early backers can snag a complete setup, boots and baseplates, for a $499 pledge. The planned retail price down the line is set at $699. Would you buy one? Write your comments below.